drones almost stole the show at the Olympics opening ceremony when they lit up the Tokyo sky. Tonight, the man behind the idea reveals how the spectacular display was achieved.
They dazzled the world by creating it high above Tokyo.
There's so many around the world not able to hear. Maybe, in a way, I guess, the world is here.
175 metres above the Olympic Stadium.
That is so beautiful.
The drone show danced across the sky, but the idea had less glamorous beginnings.
Now, did we expect, when we first had that conversation in a cafeteria at Intel, that we would be flying 1,824 drones over the city of Tokyo? That wasn't exactly what we had as an idea, but you know what? We pulled it off. I'm very proud of it.
The lightweight drones were all controlled by a team of just 15 people, and although they've completed many test runs...
You know, I have 4 children, and it was like I was reliving the moment when you're waiting for them to be born. I was nervous.
The success of the drone show means we're likely to see them used in big stadium events for years to come. And there's a possibility they'll make an appearance in Brisbane's 2032 games.
Well, I don't know. You know, we're a partner through the Paris Games. We'll see.
In Tokyo, Chanel Vella, 7 News.